Hello, this is our new product. It is the Comanche Explorer. It is a camping trailer. Now what this means, it is a tent that folds into a small trailer. You can tow it with a car, you can tow it with your camper, you can tow it with your bus, doesn't matter, but you need a B+E license to operate it, but don't worry, it only weighs 250 kilos, which means it is easy to tow, it doesn't affect the mileage at all, and it is easy to drive with. If you come inside with us, we can show you how it looks from the inside. Now, underneath the beds, you can store all the cushions needed to make the beds. And in here, you have extra storage for your luggage. Now, there is a few options that you can make the configurations of the beds. Option 1 would be 2 seating spaces in the front and a bed in the back. And option 2 would be to fold out these seating areas and make 2 large beds. You can, no problem, fold it and unfold it alone or with a friend, but it only takes one person to operate, one person to fold out, and one person to fold back in. Now, this takes only up to 5 minutes to put into its finished state, and it can sleep 3 people, no problem. Now, the area in the front can put a table with the seating areas for dinner, for lunch, and for overall leisure. Now, it takes up to 4 people sitting upright on this space. It has regulating feet, so it doesn't take all the weight, and it is really easy to operate, and it weighs a lot.
Okay, outside we have here.
Outside we have windows with mesh, so air can circulate in and out. So in the hot months it is still chill inside, and in the cold months it's still hot inside. Now, all the sides have windows that you can look through, here in the front, here in the back, and on the other side it is the same. The trailer also has feet underneath the main part, so you can level the whole thing. Now, you might be wondering how much this thing will set you back. It costs only 7,000 euro. 7,000 euro. It is 2 years ago it was made, but it hasn't been used, and it is brand new. In this condition, 7,000 euro for something like this is perfect. It is produced in Spain.